Every big change starts with one small spark, one idea, one dream, one young person daring to try. In 2016, Imbuto Foundation, in partnership with the government of Rwanda, UNFPA, and other partners, launched the Innovation Accelerator project, known as iAccelerator, a platform designed for young entrepreneurs to bring their projects to life. Since then, iAccelerator has grown from an idea into a catalyst for youth-driven change. 6 phases, hundreds of young people were impacted, dozens of life-changing projects, and thousands of lives touched.
2019 na rimwe mu banyeshuri ba kaminuza nza gukoresha imbuga nkoranyambaga nza kubona amakuru yuko hari irushanwa rya iAccelerator.
Twatsinze muri 2020 muri faze ya gatatu ya iAccelerator. Umushinga wacu rero warugamije gufasha abangavu batwaye inda bakiri batoya kubera ibibazo byihariye baba barahuye nabyo.
After our need research in 2018, as co-founders now of a youth-led healthcare innovative startup, we started looking for opportunities to actually bring our innovation to the market, which back in the time, it was a prototype. But we're also looking for mentorship when it comes to how to run a startup company.
These innovators promoted comprehensive sexuality education, strengthened family planning, improved maternal health outcomes, and addressed broader population needs, inspiring thousands of young people to access sexual and reproductive health care with confidence.
Turi kuvugurura umushinga w'amakarita ya Tantine playing cards, ni amakarita yo gukina, nabwo agaruka ku kwezi k'umugore by'umwihariko, ariko nanone agaragaza aho wakora serivisi mu gihe ufite ikibazo kijyanye n'ubuzima bw'imyororokere. Twizera ko ushobora kwiga ariko uri no guhavinga fan, niyo mpamvu twakoze ayo makarita.
We have been able to distribute the videos. They are being used in hospitals during the time when patients will be waiting. So they will bring the videos, and the feedbacks are good that people are now getting to know that male engagement is also needed to tackle the issue of teenager pregnancies and intended pregnancies as far as gender-based violence is concerned.
Not only that, those young innovators broke barriers and fought stigma around mental health, helping young people feel safe and seek support without fear or shame.
Let's Reason, what we're doing is building a telemental health application in order to connect patients in Rwanda to medical professionals here in Rwanda as well. So you can think of it as medical professionals working here at our offices and being connected to patients at their home in order to conduct a telemental health consultation.
Tuza gusanga rero ko twakwifashisha uburyo bwa vugukire nk'uburyo bwunganira bya biganiro by'ubujyanama bajyana na muganga rimwe mu gihembwe. Nuko twatangije gahunda ya vugukire kugira ngo uwagize ikibazo nyuma y'ibiganiro byo mu matsinda bagiranye na muganga abashe guhamagara muganga cyangwa se muganga amuhamagare amufashe kumva ibirimo kumubaho cyangwa se ibyamubayeho, ubwo ndavuga mu gukosora imitekerereze, ibyumviro n'imyitwarire bya muntu.
So, what's it like to be an innovator? It's intense, it's exciting, weeks filled with bold ideas, learning fast, and building smarter.
Nanjye naratsinze muri top 4. Ni competition iri fair kuri njyewe. It was fair. Atari uko natsinze gusa ariko nuko donc ni competition wabonaga iteguye neza kandi niyo confidence ukayikuramo usiko ibintu byawe ni byiza koko niyo mpamvu bikunze.
You pitch, you compete, you collaborate, and you grow. But you're never alone. Mentors walk with you every step of the way, teaching business skills, finance, sustainability, and leadership. They challenge you to think bigger. They push you to do better. And they show you how to scale your idea far beyond the program. program.
We got our first capital to actually bring the products to the market. And we went through amazing mentorship. Mind you, I was a medical student. I had no knowledge around how to build a startup company, what it requires, or how is even a business plan. And through iAccelerator, we got the mentorship, but we also got the funding support and also the network to keep growing. It has been 5 years of learning, of growth journey, and a transformative journey in sexual and reproductive health, where we realize that there are so many things that are into play when we come to sexual and reproductive health, and a lot of underlying consequences of not having information and making informed decision. And that's mental health, that's drug and substance abuse, that's gender-based violence. That's how we now pivoted to Urukundo board game to Urukundo life skills board game.
These innovators are now creating real impact in their communities. They are tackling challenges in adolescent sexual and reproductive health and mental health through creative solutions. Some have launched online platforms to teach and raise awareness. Others have started virtual clinics offering care and counseling, while others are using games to educate and engage young people. They have grown from passionate change makers into social entrepreneurs.
One of the things we implemented, there is setting games which helped in comprehensive SRH education, including the puzzle games, the board games which are used by people with visual disabilities, and other games. We also set a website, a YouTube channel through where we passed our teachings of SRH education, and on our YouTube channel we used sign language interpreters which would help people with deaf and mute disabilities to get what we are teaching about SRH.
I want to give actually first a big thank you to iAccelerator for everything that they've done in terms of their mentorship and also financial support that they gave us when we won in that accelerator.
So ntago nasoza nashimiye Imbuto Foundation n'abafatanyabikorwa bayo kuko byaradufashije, kuko mwadorekeje urugendo rwose kuva 2019 kugeza uyu munsi. Imbuto Foundation iki turi inyuma, iki duhereza ubufasha bwose dukeneye.
For our innovators, winning was just the beginning. Their ideas kept growing, their voices kept echoing, and they are now mentoring the next generation.
At Imbuto Foundation, we believe in young people as a driving force of progress. We often say in Kinyarwanda that urubyiruko ni imbaraga z'igihugu. Social entrepreneurship is a journey, one that takes creativity, resilience, and heart. So keep pushing forward, keep innovating, and keep making a difference.